If you have garage doors with windows, you need 3M window film from ClimatePro. 3M Sun Control window film helps to reduce heat and harmful UV rays. And Privacy window film can give you the sense of security that you deserve. We even offer frosted film, which adds a touch of style to your garage windows and doors. The ClimatePro team has worked with businesses and homeowners all over the San Francisco Bay Area, helping them to improve their garage doors with this very effective solution. Get a free estimate today at climatepro.com.